Hi everyone, and today I will explain an essential Java concept, Java bytecode. This is something every Java developer should know, especially when preparing for technical interviews. Let's start from the basics and go step by step. Java bytecode is the intermediate form of your Java code. It's what the Java compiler generates after compiling your .java files. So you don't directly run Java source code. The JVM runs the bytecode instead. Here an easy way to visualize it. Bytecode is like a musical score. It tells each part of the system what to do, step by step. The JVM is like a professional orchestra that plays it accurately no matter which stage or platform it's on. Now let's look at how it all works behind the scenes. You write your Java programs in a .java file. The Java compiler converts it into bytecode, which is stored in a .class file. A JVM then takes this bytecode and either interprets it line by line or uses just-in-time compilation to make it run faster. So basically your Java code does not directly talk to the hardware. Instead, bytecode acts as the middle layer. That's what makes Java platform independent. This is where Java bytecode shines. It's important mainly for two reasons. Portability. Java code can run on any system that has a JVM. It does not matter if you are on Windows, Mac, or Linux. That's the meaning behind the phrase write once, run anywhere. Security. JVM does not just run the bytecode blindly. It checks it first, validates it, and protects the system from malicious code. These built-in checks make Java a very secure language, especially compared to languages that directly compile to machine code. Let's do quick recap using this simple table. Bytecode acts as a universal instruction format. JVM executes the bytecode across platforms. Portability one codebase, multiple environments. Security JVM validates code before execution. So the main idea bytecode is what gives Java its power, flexibility and safety. If you are asked this in an interview, there is a neat and effective way to answer. Bytecode is the compiled form of Java source code. It allows platform independent execution via the JVM and ensures runtime security, which is why Java is both portable and secure. It's a short, technical, and to the point exactly what interviewer like to hear. Thank you.